Hello, welcome to Shelvington. My name's Andy and this is my model railway in a garage. In today's episode I just want to touch on a model that I bought the other week. This is a Tarmac JGA wagon. Got it from Rail-X. It's very nice model indeed. It's been weathered by the previous owner. They've also fitted a load to it. Now unfortunately the load in here is a different colour to the loads in my other JGA wagons, so what I'm going to have to do with this one is take out the load. I'll just pop the top off and you'll see what I mean. It's like it's kind of a grey sand effect, and I'll show you what I use in my other JGA wagons. It's just kitty litter, so it's a different colour, so as you can see the two together, it's going to look a little odd. So what I'm going to do in this episode is take out the ballast or the load or the whatever you want to call it that's in there. I'm going to replace it with the kitty litter that I use on my layout. And also this model's got Kadee, I think they're called Kadee couplings. Now I don't use those on my layout, so again I've got to replace those, and I'll just give the wheels a bit of a spruce up and get it ready and put it on the back of one of my my JGA locos. So I'll get on with this right now. We'll just clear things away and I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, so I've just got a just an old plastic takeaway container lid just to contain the bits as we knock them out. I'm just going to scrape it away. It's fairly loose in here. I've been chipping away just off camera just to make a good start at it. So we'll just get rid of. There we go. It's getting lots of it out. And we can reuse this stuff as well. It won't go to waste. Just scraping it all out with a screwdriver. There we go. So that gives us some, we can use that somewhere, I'm sure. We'll keep that in a little jar. What I'm going to do is just pop the cover back on, just to keep any little bits in there. And we'll take off the this coupling, just gently. It's difficult to do on the camera. Just carefully put in a screwdriver just to gently tease this away. Nice and easy. There we go. And just pop straight out. So we'll go and, so that's what we've removed. So I'll do the same the other end. I'm going to get some more, just some standard couplings, and I'll fit those. Okay, so just got some normal tension lock couplings. They're fine for this job. And it's just a matter of lining it up and just pressing it in. There we go. That's it. So that's those ends finished. So what we'll do, we'll just pop it on the track. Okay, so you can see both ends are now done. Now what we can do is pop the pop the cover off again because I run mine without the covers on. Get our kitty litter. Just get another tray just in case we spill it. And then it's just a matter then of using a spoon or anything really, and just fill up our wagon with the load. And we'll just put some more in this one while I've got it here. Now what I run with these is actually a live load. So there we go. So I don't glue these this stuff in place at all, because I've never, touch wood, fingers crossed, never had an issue with these wagons falling off the rails. That's not to say it's never going to happen. I hope it doesn't. What we'll do, we'll get these coupled up to our, I think it's a class 57, I'm not sure, but I'll go and get the 57 out, we'll bring it around the layout and we'll put these two on the back. So there we go. That's the Bachmann JGA Tarmac wagon. Nicely weathered. It fits in quite nicely with the rake of other JGA wagons. I thought it might stand out because it's the only weathered one I've got, but it was the second to last wagon in that last video clip there. So it's, yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm really pleased with it. The build quality is fantastic. There's a lovely weight to it. It's, yeah, nicely weathered. Looks really good running around Shelvington. So thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please hit the thumbs up icon. If you really like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel. It doesn't cost you guys anything, but it does help my channel to grow. Just get some message out to other like-minded modelers that might find my videos of use and of interest. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Until next time. Thanks. Bye bye.